Hey, hello everyone, welcome to Automation Techie. So today we are going to talk about two things related to a string. The first one is how to reverse a string in Java, and the second one is check if the given string is palindrome. Okay, so if you are attending interview, then these questions you may be faced in interview. So let's see how we can crack it. So the first question is how to reverse a string. So for that, suppose we have given one string as test, then my output I need after reversing this string test, what will be the output will be, so the reverse of test will be the last character will be at first, and after that s will be here, and that after s e is here, and then t. Because Java is case sensitive, then it will print as it is in reverse order. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve it. So I have given one string, this is my string, and to reverse this string we need our string into array, because reverse order happens on index basis. So first thing we need to do is convert this string to char array. So to convert char array we use char data type and then array, and this is my variable name, and then we have to convert this string. So I have taken this string, and then we have one to char array. See, we have one the method to char array, it will convert my string to character array. So after converting, what will be my, so once my string is converted to char array, so it will show like this. So because I have 4 characters, so 4 index, the first index will be at 0, the second index will be at 1, and then 2, and then 3, and this is obvious. Okay, so let's see how it will reverse. So to reverse it we need for loop. It will start from 3 and it will go to 2, 1 and 0 through for loop, because we want our string to reverse by one. So the logic will be for loop, and inside for loop what we want that my character starts from where? 3. So to achieve 3, what we need? The character length. So the character length here, ch dot length, my character length here, what is my character length? 1, 2, 3, 4. So because 4 characters and my character length is 4, but on index basis the address is 3. So how we can achieve it? So the character length is 4. If I say -1, then it will be 3. So the first condition will be pick it from 3 index. The last index, what will be my last index is 3, and what is the character at last index is t. Okay, then it will, and after that till what is my last index, like what is the expected condition when my loop should stop. So my expected condition when loop should stop is when it reaches to 0, when it is reached to 0 or it is greater than 0. If my loop is greater than 0 or equals to 0, till then it should loop. So I will say if my value of I, because my number or index number is holding I, so I should be greater than or equals to till 0, till then it should loop. And once it is looping, what will be, so if my first index is 3, then after that what is the expected index is 2, then what is it is happening here? It is happening, it is lowering the number, like it is -3 minus, then 2 minus, then 1 minus. So here I will say minus. okay, I minus minus, it will say, so it will pick the last index, which is 3, and it will, then I want to print. So I want to print in one line, so simply I will say print only. Okay, and I am saying print the character which is at I. Okay, so once again it is picking the last index, which is 4 minus 3. It is checking the condition. If my 4 is greater than or equals to 0, then it is obviously greater than and equals to 0, and it will print whatever my char at I is holding here. Okay, so let's see. I have run the program. See here, it is printed the reverse order. If I am saying anything else, if I say automation, then it should print the reverse. Then again it is printing the reverse. Okay, so this is how we can print a string in reverse order. Now let's see if my given string is palindrome. So what is palindrome? So palindrome is, suppose I have given one string which is suppose automation. If I will reverse this, then the reverse of automation is this. Does this value and this value look same? It is readable from left side and right side is same? No. Then this is not palindrome. Okay, if my, suppose if I am saying AA, suppose I am saying AA, F and H, then if I will read this word from end to start, then does it sounds or look same? No, then it is also not palindrome. But if I say ABA, can we read it from left to right and right to left as same? Yes, then it is palindrome. Any string which is readable same from left to right or right to same or right to left, then it is palindrome. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve this, if my automation is palindrome or not. See, after watching this or reading this, we can say that it is not palindrome, but how we can achieve this? Through code. So for that I have we have to just modify a little bit of this code. So for that let's take one more string which is reverse string and take it as blank. We will store our reverse string in this. So for that, let's not print it here, take out it from here and print here, and just say simple that whatever the loop whatever the string this loop is getting, just store it in this plus caret. We are concatenating our string with my reverse string, which is, see, I have taken one empty string, there is no value, and see, this loop was printing reverse value, right? Then I am only saying that print this, whatever the outcome I am getting here, the outcome is char I, whatever the char I was getting here, right? Just I am adding this or concatenating this string to my empty string and then storing this string into the reverse string. That's it, nothing else. Okay, and I will print it here. I will little modify it. Let's see. So original string original string is this, and what is my reverse string? Reverse string is this. Alright, let's see and print if it is reversing the string still, and I am running this code. See, the original string is this and the reverse string is the exact reverse of it. Okay, and after doing that, we will simply put a condition here that if my original string, that is this, if my original string is equals to my reverse string, then this should be palindrome. Alright, because my original string and reverse string was equals, then only it is palindrome. Then I will say sys out and it is palindrome. If not, then what will be the expected behavior? If not, then it is not palindrome. Very simple. Then I am just printing it and we will check. Let's see what is getting printed. See, it is not palindrome. I am changing my string as ABA. Now let's see. It is palindrome. Alright. So I am briefing this code again. So to reverse the code, we only need one string and then this for loop to reverse the string. What my for loop is doing, it is picking the last character, which is char.length -1, and then it is checking the condition if my length is still reached to the expected condition or at last index, and last index is 0. After checking the condition, it is printing the value, and after that it is reducing the value. Okay, and then once we printed, it was reverse order was printed, right? And to check palindrome, we have taken one empty string and we are just saying that whatever the outcome coming here, the reverse character which is getting stored here, just concatenate this string to my reverse string. And I have just put one if else condition. If my original string is equals to reverse string, then it is palindrome. If not, then it is not palindrome. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.